CJ Affiliate Program to make money online. Unlock your online fortune with the CJ Affiliate Program. Hey there, fellow dreamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most exciting ways to make money online. Today, we have something truly special to share with you all: the CJ Affiliate Program, a game changer in the world of online income generation. But before we dive into the magic of CJ Affiliate, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you never miss any of our incredible money-making tips and opportunities. Subscribe now, Technical Jalwa. So, what exactly is the CJ Affiliate Program? It's a powerful platform that connects you with thousands of top-notch brands and products across various industries. And the best part? You get paid for promoting them. You can promote different brands to increase sales and earn a lot of money. Imagine earning money from the comfort of your own home, simply by recommending products you genuinely love. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is. Problem-solution approach. Let's be honest. Making money online can be daunting. But fear not, because CJ Affiliate makes it super easy and accessible for everyone. Here's how it works. Firstly, sign up on CJ Affiliate. Choose from thousands of products to promote. Get a unique affiliate link. Share the link with your audience. Earn commissions on every sale made through your link. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting your journey, CJ Affiliate caters to all experience levels. They provide top-notch training and support to help you succeed. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Here are some inspiring success stories from real people who have transformed their lives with CJ Affiliate. Now that you've seen the incredible potential of the CJ Affiliate Program, it's time for you to take action and unlock your online fortune. Encourage viewers to click the link in the video description to sign up for CJ Affiliate. Don't wait. Join the CJ Affiliate family today and start building the life you've always dreamed of. If they can do it, so can you. That's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Share. Subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome. This is Technical Jalwa, signing off. Links are available in the description. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.